Hi! In front of me is Infinix Note 12 2023, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all your downloads on this Infinix. You need to begin by opening Files app. If you never used it before, select Continue and then click on Browse at the bottom in the middle after selecting Got it. Lastly, just click on Downloads category. And as you can see, all my downloaded files are over here. If you want to access one, just click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!